just to be part of this as well also, it's OTT. You know, a lot of people don't understand the reach of it. Sometimes they're scared because immediately the comments will start in between. What made you say yes?
Firstly, I love the fact that it infused dance, singing, music, beats. That for me was a big draw, and I loved the team. I loved the casting. I loved the storyline. I loved, like Priyansh had said, I loved how relatable it was. My character was created and written so beautifully. She was so flawed, and she had nothing going for her, and she really did not have her life together, and she was constantly failing and learning and growing in front of so many people, and that's what I really wanted to, you know, bite my teeth into. I wanted to do this character, and I was directed by the best, and I was motivated by the best, and so this really was something that it felt risky, and I think that's what I liked about it.
When you say flawed characters, I think every actor would want to choose that because it allows you to be all dimensions.
But that's who we are.
Yeah.
You know, it's as real as it can get, you know, so yeah.
You know, to be very honest, I think that this was my most difficult cast. And I have to give it, of course, you know, we keep talking about Goats. Hai Junoon is a show that I'm extremely passionate about. Because this is the first time in my entire career, 20 साल हो गए, और 20 साल में मैं ये दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि ये पहली बार मैं दिल से भी कह रहा हूँ और जुनून के साथ भी कह रहा हूँ कि ये पहला ऐसा किरदार है मेरा जो मैंने शायद इस किरदार से रिलेट किया है, क्योंकि not many of you all know that I'm also a musician by heart. I'm a pianist. I play the piano. I compose. Thank you. But and of course, you know, like you said that music's in my DNA. But at the same time, it was a very difficult cast, but not many people did believe that I could play Gagan Ahuja. There was one man out here in the audience who did that, my director. Thank you so much, Abhishek Sharma ji. Thank you so much to Sagar, to Aditya Bhatt, my producers. I think they were fantastic, brilliant writers, brilliant producers. They envisioned me as Gagan Ahuja. And thank you so much for fighting for me and putting it up on a daily basis with me and making sure that Gagan Ahuja comes alive. Yeah.
जब रात अधूरी लगने लगे, जब रात पूरी महक उठे, तेरी मेरी परछाइयाँ एक ही लगे, वैसे कस के गले लगाना, गले लगाना, बाहों में तेरी गुज़रे ज़माना.
That if my daughter, who plays my daughter in the film, Charu, played by the wonderful Anusha Mani, is she here? Where are you, darling?
She's backstage.
Come on, Anusha. Come on stage. Now,
ladies and gentlemen, Anusha Mani, the wonderful. Make your acting debut in this.
So Anusha Mani meets me in the green room and says, what are you going to say about me? I said mostly lies. And the lies are, Anusha, that you are terrible in the film. The truth is that you are wonderful. What a wonderful talent. What a wonderful performance. And what a singer. You know, it's so lovely. I'm going to maybe using the line that, you know, you should have used with this wonderful man. But her first song that she ever sung as a singer was in Neil Nitin Mukesh's film.
Johnny Gaddar.
Johnny Gaddar. Can you imagine?
Roy were the composers and
Think
Shankar
about
sitting right here.
Think about it. And now when the first time that she's acting in a movie, it is with this handsome young man. What a wonderful circle it is. Everybody give them a big hand.
You're standing at the same spot your son was standing. Can you imagine? A couple of years back, he made his debut on my radio show. No, he's gone because he's now too scared to see you sing. But how are you feeling being on the same stage, just being part of this amazing show, and also the legacy being carried on? And by the way, if I shut my eyes, my God, he sounded like you.
No, he's wonderful. He's very hardworking, and I'm very proud of him. And I'm so thrilled that we're a part of the same project, and of all projects, this one, because it's special for so many reasons. And I think he's run away though. I can't seem to have.
Where is he?
Oh,
there he is.
Idhar aa, Nalayan, idhar aa. Aajao.
6 foot 2 inches, a little tough to hide.
Give your dad a hug. Give him some encouragement. He needs the encouragement. Come on. That's it. There you got a photo. Say thank you,
The
photographers.
two brothers. I have to say this are two brothers.
Today, it's all about them. This function, it's not about me. Not only my boys, but all those people who are here, the youngsters, the singers, the lyricists, the music producers, director Abhishek. I've worked with him on a film called Tere Bin Laden. Amazing film. And,
I couldn't stop laughing in that. Fantastic.
and of course, Aditya and Sagar. Congratulations for this amazing, achievement. I don't know how they've done it.
True.
And I was just seeing, I came in slightly late because I had another function, but Teri Meri Vibe, Mumbai was, what a performance that was there. Unbelievable. And I'm sure that each and every song is going to do extremely well. And for a father, I think this is the proudest moment where I get to sit in the audience. I'm sure that Nitinji also agrees with me, Shan also agrees with me that sitting over there and enjoying your kids perform on stage. इससे ज़्यादा blessing दुनिया में भगवान का कोई हो ही नहीं सकता है. So thank you very much for this, really.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.